Welcome back to Africa Business Frontier, the channel that reveals the real opportunities shaping Africa's future. Today, we're breaking down how to start a profitable small-scale factory in Africa with as little as $1,000 to $10,000. Number 1. Why small factories are exploding. Africa imports billions of dollars in everyday products. Governments are now pushing for local manufacturing. Small factories are making between 30 to 300% profit margins. And the best part is, you don't need experience, just the right machine. Every product you see around you, someone is making money supplying it. Number 2, top 3 small factories to start. 1. Maize milling, grain processing. Start with a mealie mill, flour, and bran. Your clients include shops, schools, and wholesalers. Profit margins range from 20 to 40%. Startup cost $1,500 to $8,000. Food never stops selling. 2. Detergent and cleaning chemical factory. Make dishwashing liquid, laundry gel, and disinfectants. The formulas are simple and demand is high. Profit margins range from 50 to 300%. Startup cost $500 to $2,000. Every household buys these products weekly. 3. Water bottling or sachet plant. You need a purification unit plus packaging equipment. Sell to shops, events, and supermarkets. Profit margins range from 60 to 200%. Startup cost $3,000 to $10,000. Water is Africa's fastest moving consumer product. Number 3, how to get clients fast. Supply shops directly. Partner with distributors. Offer bulk deals to schools, hotels, and restaurants. Brand your packaging professionally. Use WhatsApp Business Catalog and offer same-day delivery. Factories that deliver fast win the market. Number 4, common mistakes to avoid. Starting too big, not understanding your pricing, ignoring your packaging, no marketing strategy, and buying machines without spare parts availability. Start small, scale fast, grow sustainably. Final takeaway, small factories are Africa's next economic wave, and ordinary people are becoming manufacturers and millionaires. If you want a full step-by-step guide on any factory, comment below. Thanks for watching Africa Business Frontier, where business meets opportunity. Subscribe, like, and continue building Africa's future.